Yo, it's me, Rick Ross. How you doing? And I'm the boss. Okay. Yo, it's me, Rick Ross. How you doing? I'm the boss. I got the sauce. I got the sauce. I am the best. I got the sauce. I got the boss. I got the boss. Oh, but I am the boss. I got the sauce. I got the nos. Yes, I'm gonna put the nos in my car. Then I'm gonna have a fun ride. Yes, I'm gonna have a really fun ride. I'm gonna have a really fun ride in my car. Yes, and it's gonna be really good. It's gonna be really good. Man, I'm not like Lawless behavior. Lawless behavior sucks. Yeah. Them little kids. One day my grandma said that they were my kids. I said, what? They aren't my kids. You better back off. These kids are not my kids. Mom's behaviors ain't my kids. Yo, it's me, Drake. How are you doing? These kids aren't my kids. Oh man. Okay, let's get off that subject. Yeah. Okay, man, I be feeling like I'm dealing with all the paper and the knit. I'm feeling all with the paper and the nickets. That's a good candy. Nickets is a really good candy. Nickets is a really good candy. Especially them cherry Twizzlers. You better share me them Twizzlers. Yo, it's me, Young Weezy. Yes. Alright. I am smashing, I am cramming, I am smashing all the barrels. I'm in the game. I am the game. I am the game. I'm in the game. I am the game. Because I'm smashing, I'm gramming, I'm bamming. Yes, I'm bamming. I'm crashing, bamming. Man, shit, my voice hurts when I do this voice. Yes. Yo, it's me, Rick Ross. I'm the boss. It's me, Rick Ross. How you doing? This song is over. I'm the boss.